Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to GGS Global Consult YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video, I believe it's something you guys are really going to find valuable. When I mean find valuable, it's going to be so lucrative so you can start implementing all the rules and regulations that I'll be discussing in these videos. Come to think of it, I believe some of you guys are still finding it difficult that some of you guys are still surprised that PayPal still restores a banned account, especially for those that thinks it's until when you are up to 180 days. Think of it. I want you guys to understand something about this PayPal of a thing. PayPal are also human beings like you. They are not robots. They are human beings like you. It depends on what you do and how you run your account that matters if your account will get banned or it can be restored. So guys, I want you to understand this insight that restoration of your account is very real. When I mean it's very real, it's legit. Like I have so many testimonials that I can share with you guys, which I can't even start calling them out one after the other. But I just need you to understand these things, that you restoring your account is one of the simplest things you'll be getting in this video, especially for those that are finding it difficult to restore back their bank accounts. Sorry for that, and sometimes it's due to the way you have done some transactions in PayPal. So guys, for those that are meeting me for the first time, my name is Ojoho Richard, and I'll probably say as I am an infopreneur, which means I sell information and I give out information to my subscribers, to my friends, to my students, and every other thing, which means you can probably call me an online digital infopreneur. So guys, I'm here to give you this easiest means to restore back your PayPal account, especially for those that are like, I need my account has been banned and I have some huge amount of money there which is I need it to be restored so I'll be able to withdraw and get my money. Like, it's very simple. All you just need to do is watch this video till the end and learn all the things that I'll be showing you, how you can implement and how you can send them messages for them to help you get back your account without stress and without problem. So guys, watch out the video and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. Love you. Watch out. So guys, welcome to today's videos. As I've already said in my intro that this video is going to be teaching you the easiest means to restore back your banned PayPal account. Good and fine. I believe some of you are like, how possible is this? How possible is that? Some of my subscribers can really testify that there are so many things you need to know in order to restore back your banned PayPal account, and these things are what I'm going to be discussing in this video. So the advice I'm going to give you is stay chilled, watch this video to the end and get every of the insights and information I'll be dropping in this video. So for you not to miss out, stay tuned please. Thank you very much. So number one on my list is I want you guys to understand something, that in order to restore back your account, it depends solely on what your account has been going through. Probably, let me put it this way, the type of transactions you have been doing, it really matters a lot, especially if you are those type of people that, did I put it, you are a picker. Some of you like, what do I mean by a picker? Especially those that receive money on it. Let me put it this way, you receive money on behalf of someone. Of course, some of you do that, and that is mostly what most persons do, especially in Africa. Like, I have PayPal accounts, send fund, I'll withdraw for you, something like that. Good and fine. PayPal is not against you receiving money for someone, but the only thing they are against is receiving money without a good description. That really matters a lot. And for those that are not aware, PayPal is against family and friends transaction, especially using your business account for family and friends transaction. PayPal doesn't do that any longer. The best thing I would advise for anybody that wants to last longer using PayPal is either you create a business account, and any transaction you are doing, especially, let the transaction have a description that you bought something, buying of this and that, payment for this and that, for goods and services. That is only that, not for any digital products. For instance, some persons still find it difficult that PayPal now is somehow against selling of digital products because they believe that you don't have any tracking information for that. And the moment you start doing a business, running your business, selling digital products, some of them are not real. So now they are probably against selling of digital products. So advice, whenever you want to create an account, state it clearly that you run a service or you buy and sell goods with a good description, payment for buying of ebooks, payment of buying of either television, anything that is tangible, that is physical, that people can easily see and that has a tracking ID. That is what I need you to understand here, and I'll be giving you insight on how it can be done, because you need to understand this simple thing. You open an account, and a business account, probably for those that reside in Africa and any other countries, you have to open a business account, and this business account has to be legally verified and registered. And for you to do that, I have a course that is going to be teaching you the best and easy means for you to register an account, to get legally verified. When I mean legally verified, which means you can create an account and boastfully say that this account is really and legitimately a business account, without the need of trying, without the need of trying to be afraid of accessing your account anywhere you are. Whenever you open this type of account, you are free to access it anywhere. You don't even need to use probably trying to cover your identity. You don't need that. You are registering with your legit information, and this is what you'll be learning from this course. And I'll be giving you guys this course that you can easily navigate through, creating that one simple account for your business that you can use for a lifetime. So guys, do what to go to my description below, get this course, and start implementing all the detailed information and instruction I'll be showing you in the video while you access the course. So guys, that is just for that, in creating a legally verified business account. And in today's video, I said I'll be teaching you guys how you can easily restore your account without stress. So guys, I'll be walking you through my screen on how this is easily done, whereby I'll be giving you an appeal kit, probably an appeal letter that you can use to restore your account seamlessly, without the stress, without fear of being banned any longer. All you just need to do is watch what I'll be discussing in full details, how you can access this appeal kit and start using them to send messages and get feedbacks from PayPal within 3 to 10 days. This can be done easily. So guys, watch out this video and what you need to do in order to get this appeal kit to start working on your account restoration. So guys, do well, watch out. So guys, there are different ways you can be able to restore back your account. Number one is you writing an appealing and a persuasive letter to PayPal top officials. As you can see in my dashboard, these are the top officials' email addresses which I have, that I have sent many of my appeal letter to, and this letter has been what I've been sharing with most of my clients and friends that have same issues. So this is what you also be getting, and in order to get this thing, I have an appeal kit that consists of varieties of letters that you can send to PayPal in order to restore back that banned account. As you can see, I'll be logging into so that you can see the write-up and how you can start off writing this kind of letter. As you can see, start with account limitation appeal. This is what you need to do, and write this letter to your best story in order to fit whatever that your account is having. And once you have done all these things, you send it to PayPal. All you just need to do is get the kit I'll be sharing in this guide, copy and paste all these letters, these appeal letters, and I'll also be sharing you with multiple email addresses, and these email addresses are addresses that is going to be going directly to the top officials heading PayPal. That is number one way in order to restore your account. And once you send this appeal letter to them, the next thing you get is a message stating your account is under review. Probably for 2 days after that, you get your account restored back perfectly. That is number one way. So the second way that you can easily restore back your account is by laying complaints. When I mean laying complaints, it means you can just go onto this website, which is on here, which I've already searched on Google, BBB complainants. Just go on and search it and sign up an account with them and lay your complaints. They are just there to help you, especially if you find it that it's injustice and it's not right that PayPal banned your account without a tangible and a good reason. Especially for those that will think it is, you notice you haven't done anything wrong, and PayPal just suddenly banned your account. You can go on to this website, sign up an account, and lay your complaints on how and why PayPal treated you. They are going to help you out and also help you contact PayPal directly and ask for them to ask PayPal to restore your account easily. This is another second way in order to restore back your account. So you can go on, get the appeal kit. Mind you, I have an appealing letter that you can write to this company, to BBB, for them to listen to you, understand your pain, and help you out in talking to PayPal and asking them to restore back your account. All these things are included in my appeal kit, which I'll be linking
it link in the description below. All you just need to do is get the appeal kit. You just copy and paste everything that you see there. You can probably change some few letters to suit your own story in order for them to understand that you are not just copying a random letter. You get the point. So that is all the thing. I'll be linking it in my description below. Go ahead, just grab it, copy and paste everything, changing some minor stuffs to make it look original from your own perspective. So this is the second means of restoring your account through the help of top officials. So guys, that is what I'm about to share with you guys. So guys, I'll be linking in the description below. You can go on, get this appeal kit. Once you've gotten it, copy and paste everything. Mind you, I have varieties of email addresses, thousands of email addresses that directly goes to the top officials of PayPal. Not minding wherever you are. It works in everywhere, any part of the country, any part of the world. It works there perfectly. All you just need to do is copy and paste and send to the email address.
So guys, I believe you've gotten a value from all I've explained and discussed in this video. So I want you to do me a favor by doing well to like, comment. Probably you can comment how wonderful and how informative this video has been useful to you. Comment below and do not forget to subscribe, because I need your subscription and I will probably need you to help me grow my channel for more valuable content. And come to think of it, for those that will be wondering why I have not been posting, sorry to say, I'm a student, and as a student you have to understand that you can't serve two masters at the same time. Whenever I'm done with my lectures, that's when I have time to do videos and post here. So guys, apologies for that, but probably I'll be graduating this year and I'll make sure that I have my full time for my channel to give you all the details that you need, update that you need to establish yourself as an online entrepreneur. So guys, do well to click on the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please share our content for those that you think that are suffering from any of the issues we do discuss in this channel. So guys, do well, watch out for more content from this channel and be part of our community. Thank you guys. See you in my next video, and please do not forget to turn on the bell icon so that once the new video is going to be coming out, you'll be the first to get it and watch it for your own benefit. So guys, watch out. See you soon. Love you.